Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Coding Taletiya. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can use for loop in PL/SQL code. So guys, if in previous video we have discussed about how you can use loop, simple loop in PL/SQL code. So in this video we are going to advance, that is for loop. So if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you enjoyed this video, then click on like button. If you have any suggestion and doubt, please comment in comment box. So we can open my Visual Studio Code. I am creating one file, that is for loop.sql. If you have any problem what I am doing, so you need to check my previous video. There I have discussed all the things that what I am going to doing in this video, that all the syntax, why I am writing that syntax. So here we need to on server output. If you are not on this server output, then you cannot display any message on a any message on display section. We have declare section, then begin, then end, and last slash. So I am not using a declare section because I have no need to use it. So I am working with directly begin and end section. So here I am directly using a for loop. For my variable name is I in. So guys, here this is the thing you need to know. So here what I am doing, that 1.5. So this loop will be ended when it will be incremented by 5, when I value is 5. So here it will be started with 1, and when its value will be 5, then this loop will be end. So I am going to show you how you can do this and how this is work. So we need to use loop, end loop. So here I am output, writing output string dbms I equal to I. So this is the code. This is the simple code when we compare it to simple loop. It is easy. So guys, here our output is 1 to 5. So if we writing here 10, then it will be printing 10 number, 1 to 10. If here we writing 5, then it will be started with 5 to 10. Here 6 number because it start with 5. I hope guys you understand what I am talking about. So guys, if you are enjoyed this video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So guys, only this for today. Okay, bye bye.